Let's make incredibly soft and fluffy steamed buns filled with delicious sweet red bean paste. In a bowl, add 90 grams cold milk, 2 teaspoons it is 12 grams castor sugar, half teaspoon of dried yeast, 125 grams mixed with 1/4 teaspoon baking powder, or you can skip it. Combine all the ingredients in a bowl to mix and knead, or use a bread maker for the same process. Then, let the dough ferment for 30 minutes. Once the dough has doubled or tripled in size, take the dough out and shape it. Whenever I make red bean soup, I always prepare a little more than I need. This way, I can blend it into a fine consistency and then simmer it in a pan to thicken it by evaporating some moisture and adding sugar to achieve the perfect sweetness. You can find the exact red bean paste recipe video link in the description box below this video, so feel free to check it out. These buns are incredibly soft and fluffy, filled with sweet red bean paste. You can use the same bread dough for steaming, deep frying, or pan frying. I'll demonstrate that in the next video. After shaping, let it rest for 15 minutes in the steamer on low heat, then steam on medium-high heat for 15 minutes. This will yield 8 small pieces. This is my all-time favorite bread dough that I've been using for 20 years, and this is the improved version. Try out this recipe. I bet you'll really enjoy it, and it's super easy to make. Plus, you won't have to buy the frozen buns from the grocery store anymore. Happy cooking, happy eating, and happy weekend, my friends. Thanks for watching.